In today's video, I will walk you through how to share recorded Zoom videos. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app. On the main dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and select the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings menu, select Recording. This will take you to the recording options where you can find the location of your saved recordings. You will see the storage location for your local recordings displayed. Next to this location, click the Open button. Your computer's file browser will open directly to the folder where Zoom saves your meeting recordings. Inside the folder, you will see the available recording files. These are usually organized into folders based on the meeting date and title. Open the folder for the recording you want to share. Inside the folder, locate the video file. The recording is usually saved in MP4 format. You may also see additional files, such as audio or chat files created during the meeting. Before sharing the recording, double-click the video file to play it. Check that you have the correct meeting recording and confirm that the audio plays clearly. Once you have confirmed the recording, you can share the video file. If the file size allows, attach the video directly to an email or add it to a chat message. For larger recordings, upload the MP4 file to a cloud storage service and share the link instead. Before sharing, you can rename the recording file with a clear title and date. This helps identify the recording when it is shared. You can also show a recorded Zoom video during a live meeting. While in the meeting, select the Share Screen option. Choose the window containing the video player or select the video file you want to share. To make sure participants can hear the recording audio, enable the Share Sound option. If the option is available, select Optimize for Video Clip for smoother video playback. After completing these steps, your recorded Zoom video will be ready to share as a file or play during a meeting. To quickly review the process, open Zoom, go to Settings, select Recording, and click Open to access the recording folder. From there, choose your video file and share it directly or play it during a meeting. These are the steps to share recorded Zoom videos. Thank you for watching.